Identity is everything. If you don't know who you are, someone will tell you who you are not, and you'll believe him. Identity affects potential, purpose, and destiny. Now, watch this. If somebody makes you think you're nobody, what's the purpose of nobody? Nothing. What's the potential of nobody? Not much. Where's a nobody going? Nowhere. But if you understand that you're a child of God, what's the purpose of a child of God, man? You are here to be a light in this world. You were intentionally created on purpose for a purpose. Before God formed you, he knew you. What's your potential? You can do all things through Christ that strengthens you. What's your destiny? The future is bright and you will get there. God knows it and he pre-knew it. Once you discover who you are, you'll be free from everybody else's opinion. I need to believe this. I need to receive this. I need to walk in this reality. You are who God says you are. God bless you. Bye, bye, bye.